Vowel A words: cat, bat, rat, hat, mat. How to read: at, cat, b, at, bat, at, rat, at, hat, at, mat. How to write: blend the sounds to make new word. Encircle the letters that sound k, at, cat. Put a check on the letters that sound at, k, at, cat. Write the letters that sound k, at, cat. Blend the sounds to make new word. Encircle the letters that sound b, at, bat, b, at, bat. Put a check on the letters that sound at, b, at, bat, b, at, bat. Write the letters that sound b, at, bat, b, at, bat. Blend the sounds to make new word. Encircle the letters that sound at, rat, at, rat. Put the check on the letters that sound at, rat, at, rat. Write the letters that sound at, rat, at, rat. Blend the sounds to make new word. Encircle the letters that sound at, hat, at, hat. Put a check on the letters that sound at, hat. At, hat. Write the letters that sound at, hat, at, hat. Blend the sounds to make new word. Encircle the letters that sound at, mat, at, mat. check on the letters that sound at. At, mat. At, mat. Write the letters that sound at, mat. At, mat.